Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. Online freelance websites and marketplaces are changing the way we work. We can work from anywhere, choose how much we want to work, and at what time we want to work. We don't have to worry about waking up early to get ready for a job or even taking a long holiday with our family. We're our own bosses. Today, we're going to be talking about 10 high-paying online jobs you can do from home. Make sure to stay till the end, as you don't want to miss any of this information. Number 1. Virtual assistant. There are innumerable entrepreneurs all over the globe who have realized the importance of getting some extra assistance on their personal as well as administrative jobs like bookkeeping, online market research, web development, email management, social media management, and many more. Consequently, they are all looking for highly skilled professionals who can work over the virtual platforms and deliver them what they need on time. A virtual assistant is a self-employed worker who specializes in the offering administrative services to clients from a remote location, usually a home office. Typical tasks a virtual assistant might perform include scheduling appointments, making phone calls, making travel arrangements, and managing email accounts. However, don't think it's a job you can start tomorrow. You need a lot of research, work, and patience for it. Number 2. Online contractor. The online application process is simple and straightforward with very little required of candidates. Some opportunities can be started on the same day that you apply for them. They also require very little commitment and can typically be done on your schedule. A micro job is usually a small online task for which you will receive an equally small fee, usually a few cents or dollars. They are sometimes called short tasks. These jobs are done by logging onto a company's website and selecting tasks, sometimes simply by clicking a link. Amazon's Mechanical Turk, Clickwork, and Ysense offer these types of tasks. Online data entry is a growing work-at-home field. New technology makes it easier for companies to hire independent contractors to work on data entry projects. If you have an eye for spotting spelling errors or typos, you may be well suited as a proofreader. A contractor is very broad, so you'll want to pick an industry you're familiar with or are passionate about and hone your skills there. Some ideas for contractor jobs are social media manager, graphic designer, content creator, video producer or editor, YouTube channel manager, paid ads manager, and web designer, just to name a few. Number 3. Course creator. The term online educator usually conjures image of a distinguished professor, a best-selling author, a highly paid speaker. Definitely someone who has studied and trained for years, even decades, someone whose name is recognized in their field, and probably someone who's very different from you. You're passionate and enthusiastic about a hobby or a topic of interest. Even though you don't consider yourself an expert, you have acquired insider information on your passion topic. Use your knowledge to create an online course to sell. First, recognize that you know enough to teach others. Even though you may not know enough to be a school teacher, you're like a 6th grader compared to 1st grader, and that's enough for you to become an online course creator. Appreciating and internalizing this is your first step because many people let feelings of inadequacy stop them from pursuing online courses. Your next step is to find the hottest entry point topics in your area of interest that you could start teaching about. One way to do this is by eavesdropping on the various relevant conversations online, such as the responses, shares, reviews, and other interactions. The specific platforms where you find these conversations will differ depending on your topic of interest. Number 4. YouTuber. Forget about becoming an astronaut. These days, kids are 3 times more likely to dream of becoming a professional YouTuber. And who can blame them? With a big enough fan base, vlogging can be a lucrative business. Who exactly are these professional content creators, and how do they make their money? How do these content creators generate revenue? If a YouTuber reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year, they can start to monetize their account with advertisements. YouTubers only get paid when a viewer watches the full ad or clicks on it. YouTube Premium. This is a monthly subscription service that allows fans to watch their favorite content without ads. YouTubers get a cut of subscription profits based on how many views their channel attracts. Corporate sponsorships. Also known as influencer marketing, this is when brands pay content creators to promote their product. A vlogger typically needs a large following before brands are willing to work with them, but expectations from brands vary based on the company and their marketing objectives. Merchandise sales. If an influencer has a loyal fan base, they can make a pretty penny selling branded swag. It's estimated that PewDiePie, the world's most popular YouTuber, makes over $6 million a month from merch sales. While there's several options for making money on YouTube, it's nearly impossible to make a living without a large following. So, for all we know, these influencers could be making even more money. If that doesn't inspire you to start posting amateur videos on YouTube, we don't know what will. Number 5. Sales. By the very nature of the work itself, successful salespeople possess a unique set of personality attributes that enable them to succeed. Mediocre sales performance cannot be disguised as a salesperson's success or failure is revealed immediately by the bottom line results. It takes a special kind of individual to succeed in sales. The most successful salespeople think and act differently than your average sales rep. What sets them apart? They've discovered the traits that ensure selling success and work incessantly to cultivate those traits in themselves. By the very nature of the work itself, successful salespeople possess a unique set of personality attributes that enable them to succeed. Mediocre sales performance cannot be disguised as a salesperson's success or failure is revealed immediately by the bottom line results. It takes a special kind of individual to succeed in sales. If you possess the required skills, then you should definitely consider being a sales agent online. Sales is consistently the highest paid profession. Now that many businesses are ditching the office and going virtual, you can be part of a sales team and work from home. Number 6. SEO Consultant. Want a career in SEO? Then you'll need certain skills to be successful and get the job you want. SEO professionals come from a variety of backgrounds. Some are programmers, some are entrepreneurs, some traditional marketers, some journalists, some even used to be rappers. A qualified, experienced SEO expert reviews a site, asks about the business goals and target visitors, and identifies strategies to improve the search engine rankings and page views. Number 7. Translating. Okay, we know you want translation jobs, you know you want translation jobs, so let's skip the lead-in and go straight to the meat of the matter. Translation jobs are on the rise. Why? Well, for one, in spite of the fact that English happens to be one of the most common languages in the world, people still prefer products and services that are written in their own tongue. To add to that, as more and more people travel for business purposes, the need for translation services continues to grow. Not only are more people traveling and learning new languages, but businesses are competing in a global market and they need more and more translation to help them with this feat. Freelance translation is a good job for someone who is curious, detail-oriented, and a phenomenal writer in their native language. This is the most important trait to have. But also with enough experience with their second language culture to understand nuances and cultural references. Number 8. Transcriptions. Working as a transcriptionist is a great way to make money from home and benefit from a flexible schedule. Regardless of whether you're looking for a full-time job or just a few hours per week that'll give you some extra money, transcribing can be a good option. There are a lot of different companies and websites that will pay for transcription work. Most transcription jobs will allow you to work as an independent contractor. Typically, you'll be able to have control over the days and hours that you work and how much you work. Some companies will have minimum or specific requirements that you'll need to meet. Number 9. Online tutoring. While it's always great to meet face-to-face when possible, in today's world, online tutoring is the way to go. Even when we're not in an era of social distancing, there's nothing like calling up a tutor on demand. The best online tutoring websites have thousands of instructors at every student's beck and call, so kids can call up homework help if they're at 3 in the morning cramming or have a 15-minute window before heading to a teen-friendly summer job. Whether you're a teacher looking to make some extra money or a college student wanting to side hustle from your dorm room, online tutoring jobs are your answer. Number 10. Affiliate marketer. Passive income. That's the dream, right? Make money while you sleep. For 99% of people, affiliate marketing is how they get started. Every day, thousands of publishers benefit from a recruiting cash inflow by partnering up with other companies via affiliate programs. The idea behind it is that you promote other people's products, often through an affiliate network, earning a commission if people actually end up buying thanks to your marketing. It's based on revenue sharing. If you have a product and want to sell more, you can offer promoters a financial incentive through an affiliate program. If you have no product and want to make some money, then you can promote a product that you feel has value and earn income from it as an affiliate marketer. The best thing about affiliate marketing is that you can do it at scale. A typical salesperson only sells products from one company. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products from many different companies and earn commissions from all of them. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you there!